Hi students, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope that you're fine. Stay safe at your homes. Now let's continue our topic, negative sentences. I hope that in the previous classes the portions which we have discussed you might have understood. Now let's continue. Rule number 6. In rule number 6, when as soon as comes, we have to convert it into no sooner than. Let's check the examples. As soon as the teacher entered the class, the students stood up. Here as soon as is coming, so we have to use no sooner than to convert it into a negative sentence. No sooner did the teacher enter the class. We should not write entered because already did is coming. So we cannot use entered. Instead of that we have to use entered. No sooner did the teacher enter the class, comma, than the students stood up. Don't use then, it is than. T-H-A-N. Than the students stood up. One more answer is possible. We can use past perfect also to answer this question, to make it a negative answer. No sooner had the teacher entered the class, comma, than the students stood up. In this case, we have used past perfect. So this answer is also correct. Second example. As soon as I received her call, I left for her place. Answer. No sooner did I receive, not received, okay. No sooner did I receive her call than I left for her place. One more answer is possible. No sooner had I received her call, comma, than I left for her place. Both of them are correct. You can write either of them. Now, let's go to rule number 7. Whenever to is coming, we have to use so that to make it into negative sentence. Example. He is too weak to walk. Answer. He is so weak that he cannot walk. Here, to walk is showing ability, right? He is very weak, so he is not able to walk. That is the meaning of that sentence. And then the sentence is in present tense. That's why in answer also we have used present tense. He is so weak that he cannot walk. Can is also present tense only. He cannot walk. It shows ability. Can is showing ability. That's why we used can as the helping verb. He is so weak that he cannot walk. Second sentence. The child was too tiny to climb up the tree. In this sentence also it shows the ability to climb up the tree. So here also we can use can. But the problem is that the sentence is in past tense. The child was, isn't it? So then we have to use, in the place of can, we can use could, which shows ability in past tense. Answer. The child was so tiny that he could not climb up the tree. Meaning is that he was not able to climb up the tree. Then the third example. He is too shy to ask for help. Here, asking for help doesn't show ability. It shows only a situation. So then, in this case, we cannot use can because can shows ability and the sentence is in present tense. In the place of can, we can use here will. He is so shy that he will not ask for help. So asking help is not ability. That's why we used will in the place of can. Hope you understood this rule. Now let's go to rule number 8. Whenever both and is coming, we have to use not only but also to make it a negative sentence. Example. Both Rita and Geeta were beautiful. Where is past tense? Both Geeta and Rita. How many people are there? Rita and Geeta. 2 people are there. When 2 people are there in both and sentence, then we have to use not only in the beginning of the sentence. Rita and Geeta, 2 people are there. That's why we are using not only in the beginning. Answer. Not only Rita but also Geeta was beautiful. Why I used to was? Because as per the rule of not only but also, we will use the subject or the noun which comes just before the verb. So what is the noun the subject which comes just before was, it is Gita only. So we have to just consider it as one, singular. That's why was is coming. Otherwise, where would have come. So in the case of both and, where will come. In the case of not only, the second subject will be considered. So not only Rita but also Gita was beautiful. Then next sentence. Raman is both honest and faithful. The sentence is in present tense. And how many people are there? Only one person, that is Raman. But his two qualities are mentioned. In this case, it is better to use not only but also in the middle of the sentence. Instead of using it in the beginning, it is better to use it in the middle of the sentence. Because Raman is only one person. Raman is not only honest but also faithful. Hope you have understood these rules. Now try to do the examples given here. Convert them into negative sentences. Thank you and have a nice day.